my truck tomorrow. I just came. There was 2 more things I need to put on that list. Oh my God.
I'm glad that I was
911, 911.
911. Where's the phone?
I'm glad you said something.
Mike, get out of the way, please. Get out of the... Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, Carter, stop it. You'll be fine, you'll be fine.
Maybe nobody was in there.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Mike, can you just back up a little bit?
Well, honey, just hold on. Just hold it. Leave it this way here.
Let me get out of
You're not going to be able to do much.
Get out of the way, please. God, I know you hit yourself, Carlos.
Stop it, Carlos.
Yes, we are on the on-start ramp on Yuba City, and there was a car that fell off the highway.
It didn't fall off. It jumped the whole road.
Yeah, no.
99 and Peace. Peace Road and Onstadt. It's on Onstadt. It's on Onstadt.
Can someone talk in the phone so I can hear what's going on?
I'm sorry. It's yeah. This car came flying over the
It's on
embankment.
fire.
It's on Onstadt. Hold on.
Stop it.
I'm afraid to go over there, but
Stop it.
here.
Is it on Pease Road? What's the nearest cross street?
It's on Onstadt Road, frontage Onstadt Road, and cross street is Pease, P-E-A-S-E, and it's on the, yeah, it's right on Onstadt Road, right as soon as the 4-way stop sign is right there.
Okay, what's the description of the vehicle?
It's a white car, I think. I didn't get off because it's on fire.